The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2014 through 2020 Nissan Rogue with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero SX crossbar system to these raised rails. So this consists of the 50-inch Vortex Aero load bars and the SX100 leg pack. So combined on this vehicle, you have a 165-pound carrying capacity, and crossbars can be adjusted along the length of the raised rail. So great system for bikes, kayaks, cargo, lots of different uses for this crossbar system. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.